Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share this litter box for your cat from Saikun. Now, I have been looking for an enclosed litter box that would be easy to clean, and this litter box is exactly what I needed. So let me share what I liked. So first, it is easy to clean. The front snaps forward and you have full access to clean the tray with ease. No leaning, or there are no areas that are hard to reach. The tray itself pulls out for easy cleaning, and it also makes it so easy to completely change the litter. It also has a lot of features that really ensure you can adapt to your needs. So for instance, it comes with legs to add to the aesthetic, and it also has an aisle to knock off the litter from the cat's feet, but both can be removed. It also comes with a compartment for your trash bags and a scooper. So if you are a new cat owner, this litter box literally has everything you need while also looking so pretty. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.